Hi students, I'm excited to talk to you about prepositions of time, in, on, and at. So a helpful way to think about it is that these prepositions go from very general to more specific. So let's look at some examples. I came to the US in 2004. I came to the US on June 7th. I arrived in the US at 10 a.m. Let's start with in. We can use in to talk about periods of time. In the future. In the past. In the future, I hope to be a doctor. Years. My grandmother was born in 1921. Seasons. I will start school in the fall. Months and weeks. His birthday is in July. I will see you in 3 weeks. Parts of the day. I usually drink a cup of coffee in the morning. Okay, we talked about in, which is the most general or the largest period of time. So let's talk about on, which is a little bit more specific. We use on for dates. His birthday is on July 7th. Days of the week. His birthday is on Monday. Weekend. I saw her on the weekend. Okay, now it's time for at, the most specific preposition of time. Hours of the day. I will be home at 9 p.m. Specific time during the day. I called her at dinner time. I will meet you at sunset. At night. So don't say in the night. I don't go outside at night. Okay, so now let's take a little quiz. I drink hot milk night. Yes, you are correct. I drink hot milk at night. Okay, next one. I visited Germany 2010. I visited Germany in 2010. My birthday is December 5th. My birthday is on December 5th. How did you do? I hope you did great, and I will see you in a couple weeks. In a couple weeks. Ha ha ha. Okay, bye students.